Have you ever hit a point where you're technically functioning, but inside everything feels heavy, foggy, disconnected? That's not just burnout. That is an identity collapse. And most high achievers never see it coming. Today, I'm going to show you the hidden mindset pattern that keeps professionals stuck in burnout cycles, even when they are doing all the right things. And more importantly, how to break the pattern for good. Welcome back to Unparalleled Lifestyle, where we help high achievers rebuild their energy, clarity and identity so they can lead without burning out. If you are new here, I'm Matthew, and I'm here to help professionals recover from burnout through energy alignment, nervous system reset and identity reconstruction. Let's get into it. The real problem no one talks about. Burnout isn't caused by doing too much. It's caused by becoming someone you are not. Most people think burnout comes from workload, but that is rarely the case. Burnout shows up when you begin operating out of alignment with who you truly are. And here is the truth. High achievers don't burn out because they are weak. They burn out because they have been strong for too long in the wrong direction. It is the internal split between who you really are and who you think you need to be to succeed. And that gap is the real problem. Mindset pattern number 1. The shape shifter identity. High achievers are masters at adapting, which is great until it isn't. At some point, you stop adapting and you start shape shifting to meet expectations, to avoid disappointing others, to keep the business or team moving, to hold up the image of being the strong one. But when you adapt long enough, you stop asking one question. Is this actually who I want to be? Burnout begins the moment you abandon your identity. Mindset pattern number 2. The self-abandonment loop. This one is brutal and common. And here's what it sounds like. I rest when things calm down. Let me just get through this week. Other people need me, and I'll deal with myself later. Later never comes. Every time you ban your needs, your system learns one thing. My well-being isn't important. And the body responds with exhaustion, emotional flatness, lack of direction, decision fatigue, feeling disconnected from yourself. This is identity collapse in disguise. Mindset pattern number 3. The productivity mask. This is where many high achievers get stuck. You start measuring your work by output, speed, results, the next win. You don't slow down because you are scared of what you feel when you stop. Silence reveals truth. Stillness reveals misalignment. So you keep moving faster, harder, hoping momentum will save you. But what actually happens is productivity becomes your protection. Achievement becomes your armour. And burnout becomes inevitable. The moment everything breaks. Every identity collapse has the same turning point. It's not when you feel tired. It's not when you feel overwhelmed. It's when you realise, I don't recognise myself anymore. That moment is not failure. It's an invitation, a recalibration, a signal that your old identity has run its course and a new one is trying to emerge. The shift, how to break burnout pattern. There are 3 steps to collapse the old identity and rebuild a coherent one. Come back into your body. You cannot solve burnout from the mind. Breath work, grounding, primary work, nervous system reset. These reconnect you to your clarity. Reclaim your personal energy. Stop leaking energy into people you are overgiving to, commitments you have outgrown, expectations that aren't yours. Your energy is your currency. Guard it. Rebuild your identity from alignment, not pressure. Ask yourself, what version of me feels true now? What value actually matters to me? What am I no longer willing to sacrifice? What reality feels coherent for my next chapter? When your identity becomes coherence, your energy rises, your clarity returns, and burnout loses its grip. If you are in burnout right now, I want you to hear this. You are not broken. You are not failing. You are not behind. You are simply out of alignment with the identity you have outgrown. This is your turning point. Burnout isn't the end. It's the doorway into a more powerful, grounded and authentic version of you. A version that leads with clarity, not pressure. A version that succeeds without collapsing internally. A version that feels like you again. If you want support rebuilding your energy, identity and direction, join me inside my Skool community, The Energetic Revolution. It's free and you'll find tools, videos, frameworks, and a community of people reclaiming their clarity, just like you. If this video spoke to you, hit subscribe and join me here on Unparalleled Lifestyle, where we talk about energy, clarity, and the path to aligned success. Protect your energy, honour your alignment, and I'll see you in the next video. Many blessings, wherever you are in the world.